In 1932, in a cabin on the bank of the North Saskatchewan River in Alberta, Canada, our 2014 Alumnus of the Year was born to a Belarusian father and a Ukrainian mother, immigrants from Eastern Europe. In 1952, our awardee's sister was killed in a tragic automobile accident, and only 2 weeks later, his mother died of a sudden embolism to the heart. The double tragedy could have shattered and derailed the children completely, but instead, they responded with a commitment to remember their mother's desire for them to go to school, love God, serve man. In 1964, our honoree graduated from medical school and settled into a busy family medicine practice in Novato, California, with his wife Marianne and their 3 boys. As he treated patients, he became passionate about preventive medicine and especially the hazards of a high-protein diet. He completed a public health degree at Loma Linda University, joining the College of Preventive Medicine, of which he became a fellow for his influence in the field. Aside from his commitments to a busy medical practice, our awardee became actively involved in his community, facilitating and supporting the construction of the Novato Seventh-day Adventist Church and serving as a vibrant member and eventually president of the Novato Rotary Club. One day, in the midst of his busy routine, our awardee received a call from Loma Linda University. The group was planning an exploratory medical mission to the Ukraine, and because he knew the language and culture, our awardee was asked to join the team. As the group visited the hospitals and clinics in Lviv, they were shocked by the outdated equipment and facilities and at the way patients were housed, sometimes 10 to a room. While those needs were glaring, when asked what the greatest need was, the Ukrainian physicians' answer surprised the group. They said, "We need vaccines." What the fact-finding mission revealed was that although immunizations were required for school-going children in the Ukraine, many of the vaccines were manufactured cheaply and making the children ill. As a result, pediatricians were discouraging mothers from immunizing their children and giving injections of sterile water instead in order to fulfill the requirement. Before leaving, authorities asked our honoree directly to help them find quality vaccines with which they could immunize their children against polio and other diseases.
We must alter the mentality of the people, of the population, the mentality of the medical workers towards the preventive medicine.
Our honoree took the request to the Rotary Club of Novato, and our honoree became the project manager for the Ukraine Immunization Project. As manager, he arranged for 160,000 doses of vaccine and 150 syringes of vaccine to be donated to Lviv. Our honoree helped administer the first immunization days for Ukraine. In working with the Ukraine National Health Department as a result of more than 30 return trips, our honoree served as a driving force behind the country's advancements in preventive care and behind the immunization of over 4 million children. In 2008, he was awarded one of the most exclusive worldwide awards given by Rotary International, the International Service Award for a Polio-Free World, recognizing his 19-year effort to eradicate the disease. His passion for education and preventive medicine have opened the doors to teach thousands of medical professionals in the Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Tajikistan, the Philippines, and the United States. Our awardee has practiced family and lifestyle medicine for 49 years in Novato and can often be heard reminding those around him that it is the Creator who goes before us, and that all we have to do is follow His leading. Please join me in welcoming to our stage our 2014 Alumnus of the Year from the class of 1964, Dr. John Elloway.